If you want to be a slice of melon at the drop of a hat, look no further. Hey! Okay, so this program is called Snap Camera. It is essentially a PC application of all the Snapchat filters. You can get these all in the Snapchat app. So if you go to snapcamera.snapchat.com, I've put the link in the description. Download that program and set it up with your webcam. And you can see here, I've got mine set up with my DSLR. And if I go into the settings, you'll want to choose your camera in here. I've got my Camlink 4K. One thing that I will note, if you try and set this up with OBS already running, it's going to be weird about it. You need to have your camera going in the Snap Camera first, because you can add SnapCam then into OBS afterwards. One other thing to note is it does not do beyond 1080p. So you can see there the camera resolution is 1920 by 1080p, 60 FPS. And you can even choose a microphone for it because it will affect your microphone as well. Now, I've not actually set that up myself, but it's worth checking out. There is some really good stuff in this, and it's kind of worth messing around with, whether you got a DSLR or a webcam, especially if you have a webcam and you're kind of thinking of different ways to like mess with it and up your quality, your production quality, and, you know, add little like tricks and stuff to the whole setup. And it also works with chroma key. You can set up binds for this as well. So like it reacts to like, you know, something you press on your keys, or if you like open your mouth, it does crazy things. But there's so many of them. Like I'm gonna just run through some of them. I know you think you're sitting talking to Zordon here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? The Power Rangers are fine. Alpha is fine. Everyone's fine. Rita's, let's not talk about it. Moving on. So obviously some of these, I feel like they've got a certain amount of it done and then they just kind of give up. But, you know, still pretty cool. When you just need the Viking up. No, this one, no. Needs work. This one. Privacy breach? I don't know. Get out of my head! I love this one. I just wish I could like move them up a wee bit. Take these out and move them up a wee bit. They're a bit tight. I'm gonna get rid of them. Cyber Pirate. You know Cyber Pirates? Yeah, exactly. Helmet Head. I don't know what the reference is, but that's intense. You always wondered. Now you know. There is one in there. I told you there was. You didn't believe me. Spider-Man costume. Nailed it. All right. Really impress your audience. They come in and you're like sitting, you're gaming like this here, right? Someone comes in, they're like, what does he even do? Like, why should I watch them? And you'd be like, because I'm balancing pies on my head. Subscribe. You just earned $5. I don't even want a commission. You're welcome. It says try on the back camera. What does that mean? This is kind of cool, actually. Epos Fox, you're welcome, mate. This is how I want to watch you from now on. If you're not in a TV flying around the screen, I'm out. Deal breaker. Love you. This is pretty cool. Apart from the Nike, if I could get the, can we just, no. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Someone donates and you just, boom, money time. Just getting your money dance going. The money dance, money dance, money dance, money dance. Or whatever, you know, maybe someone did a charge back. Money dance, money dance, money dance. I love this. This is great. Like I'm already into this kind of stuff. Like I think it's really cool. You can add them into your favorites there. You see I hit the star and I've got a whole wee collection of those. So you can set up hotkeys for each individual lens. So I can have control 1, control 2, control 3, and then I can just hit that, change it. So as you can see, the stonks over here, good stuff. Oh, it does. Oh! Oh! Go into this one. This one's pretty cool. Don't know why, but it's just awesome. Then I can have, you know, my neck just completely change, or I can, you know, show you how smart I am. It's pretty smart. What you could do with that is use like InstructBot or something similar, or like the Leon board, to let people in chat actually activate these filters. You would just have to run it in the background. Everything that you favorite, then you can set hotkeys for, and that just changes the whole level of like interaction with your chat. You could just have people just coming in and being like, yo, and then it's like, open your mouth. You're like, oh God, please, thank you for the sub. Just continue like that throughout your career, and that's fine. If they're like, you don't get it, you just be like, you know, I think I do get it. I wouldn't mind one that goes the other way though, which is probably more accurate to most of my revelations. That one's amazing. You just need the game. But you could queue that up if you put a multi-action in to do that at the same time. It's really awesome. Hacker man. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, it's true. I mean, this is a character right away, you know? I don't know. This is pretty ridiculous. Pretty awesome. Love it. And if you don't like being a computer head, you can just be, you know, a donut. Just be a donut. Those who can't, donut. I mean, you know, you want to like make people feel sick in chat. Break out this lens. You could be like, all right, chat, I'm away to heat up my leftover pizza. And you go away and then you switch over and then all of a sudden you're like, did you fix my face? Trying to concentrate here. Put on some 3D glasses, chat. This one here, this is kind of similar to what Sushi Dragon uses on his stream. It's pretty awesome. It's called Spyware. I like this one. Does it say I am Amanda Joe? Defrag? Like, what I'm thinking of is as well is if you had loads of these and you wanted to do like a raid ceremony and you got the green screen going on, you could just shuffle through them with like cool backgrounds. This is the best one. This is, watch. It's just God. This is disturbing. Remove beard. yeah, I get it, totally. If you want to be a slice of melon at the drop of a hat, look no further. Okay, I'm gonna stop there, but as you can see, the range varies. If you guys enjoyed this, the link to get this program is in the description. And if you want to see more of what I'm up to, check out the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we are over in Discord as well. So pop over in there and say hello if you've anything you're making or anything you want to share that's cool or have a chat with us. Like, I'm Defrag, and to all of the content creators, keep on creating, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.